Welcome to NJP Mathematics. Let's solve this lovely problem here on the board together. We have that if x squared minus y squared equals 5, find the value of x. So we'll find the value of the variables x and y. So let's give the solution to the problem. That x squared minus y squared equals 5. We can see that the left hand side has the variables x and y, and it's a difference of 2 square. So let's give the relation of the difference of 2 square. X square minus y square can still be written as x square plus 0 minus y square. So this can also be written as x square plus xy minus xy minus y square, since xy minus xy equals 0. So we group them. If we group them, we take the common factor in each of the brackets. So the common factor in this first bracket here is x. We bring out the x, which is the common factor, and what remains is x plus y. So we bring down the sign, take the common factor here is y, and what is left there is x plus y. So from the factorization method, this can be written as x plus y, x minus y. So the relation for the difference of 2 square, which we are using x and y as the variable, can also be written as x plus y multiplying x minus y. So let's substitute the value of x square minus y square there in the equation. That is x plus y x minus y equals 5. We know that the right hand side have two factors, 5 and 1, and if we multiply them, we'll have 5. So let's substitute these factors there. X plus y on the left hand side multiplying x minus y equals 5 times 1. So we can see that on the left hand side, x plus y is greater than x minus y. This is the first condition. And on the right hand side, 5 is greater than 1. This becomes the second condition. Therefore, for the left hand side to be equal to the right hand side, x plus y, which is greater than x minus y, must be equal to 5, and x minus y, which is less than x plus 1, must be equal to 1, since 5 is greater than 1. So from here we have obtained two equations. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So we can continue by using any of the methods of solving a simultaneous equation. We can use the elimination method, the substitution method, or the graphical method. Let's use the elimination method, since we can see that the coefficient of y in the first equation is positive 1, and the coefficient of y in the second equation is negative 1. That means if we add both sides, y will be eliminated off. So let's add both sides of the equation. If we add both sides of the equation, x plus x becomes 2x, and y minus y becomes 0, equals 5 plus 1. So this is the same thing as 2x plus 0. We can still write it this way, equals 5 plus 1, which is 6. So we now have that 2x equals 6. We divide through by the coefficient of x, and the coefficient of x is 2. So if we divide through by 2, we have that x equals 3. So we have obtained the value of x. But we can still continue by finding the value of y. And to have the value of y, we have to make y the subject of the formula from one of these equations. So let's take that x plus y equals 5. That was the first equation. So from here, we make y the subject of the formula by transposing, and y equals 5 minus x. So we put x equals 3 in the equation which we've made y the subject of the formula, and y equals 5 minus 3, and y equals 2. Therefore, x, y equals 3 and 2 respectively. Therefore, the value of the variables of this difference of 2 square, which equals 5, are 3 and 2. You can still check if it will give you 2. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and subscribe.